Hello everybody, it's Lisa. I'm here to do a quick tutorial on how to make these little layered tags, and the reason I'm making them is for these pin badges that we give to our volunteer children's panel members each year. Well, every 5 years they get an award, and these badges here are just plain, but the years are usually in the center there, 5, 10, 15, 20 years and so on. And rather than just give them in these little cellophane bags, I always make something to put them in. So last year it was tiny decorated envelopes. They'll go into these little organza bags. And doesn't that look much nicer than a cellophane bag? So what we need to do first is you might not see it, but here I've made a little mark where the hole needs to go. And what I do is, the first one was lined up perfectly, so I've just used that as a template and done a little pencil mark there. And then I cut the hole, punch the hole. I think it's a big bite. We are memory keepers. And that's us ready to go. Now these tags were made using my Cricut. There are loads of designs in there that you can use. And what I did was I made the base card and then duplicated it and shrunk it slightly so that it has a perfect border around it. So the first thing we're going to do is to set the badge there so that we have a guide that we're working over here. And I've cut out lots of pieces of ribbon, scotched the ends. First of all, I'm going to attach the ribbon, and I want it to come further down because this little silver tag will be kind of lined up with it. And next I am going to cut some eyelash trim, bunch it up, some glue, mostly hot glue for this project. Now I'm going to use my old scissors to push that down rather than get burnt. So that's that bit done. And I want the tag to sit on top of that, so that's why the trim went on first. And a wee bit of hot glue, being very, very careful. And that will go here. And next we have a butterfly. I think there are loads of butterflies you can cut out in the Cricut which are very intricate, but I'm kind of pushed for time. So I just made these ones using a Stampin' Up punch. I think it's a very old one that I bought second hand. Right, so that will give me a double layer so that I can pull the wings up. And I want it to have a wee bit of dimension. So I've just cut out some of these foam things. In fact, I didn't need to cut it out. I've got wee square ones there. And I'm going to just glue it here. Put that on top. And I never trust that these are going to be sticky enough for something like this, so I always put a wee dot of glue on top. Do we want you to go this way, I think? Press it down. And we're almost done. Next, we're going to put some gems on. I'm not sure if you can see this right with the glare, but I cleared out all my Stampin' Up! Stamps and put them into clear plastic envelopes and used the cases for storage, so it's worked out so much better. So this is one of the bigger cases, and this one here I have all my perlé type gems, and it's really good. It keeps them all together, and I can find everything now rather than rummaging through the drawers. So what will we go for with this one? I'll put a couple of wee ones here, and the best way I have found to deal with these is to take a pin or a needle, lift it up with that, and I never quite trust these either, so I'm just going to put a dot of glue there, and then I take another old pin and just dab it on the back, stick it on. That's one done. This is a really good way. It's better than using tweezers or anything like that. It just works for me. Now they are slightly squint, but that's because it's sitting a wee bit away from me. Usually I would look directly above to make sure things are even. Oh, there we go. And I thought this might be quite nice. It's a wee butterfly, and I want that to go the opposite way from the other one. That's that one done. And then they're just ready to put into the little bags. So that's us done. Another one. This one. You're going to go about there. Dot of glue. There. I did cut out these on my Cricut as well, but they weren't quite right. And I wrote them as well on the Cricut with silver gel pen, but the writing's a wee bit too far up, so I'm not sure if it's going to work. And the flag isn't quite right. So I'm just going to attempt we'll see if it works. It might not work. Maybe trim it a teeny bit more. That might be better. Stick some trim. Wee flag. Oh, I've just spotted in here. That might work. See this one here? Kind of rose pink. Look at you. Aha! Sorted. That's quite nice. Gonna need some gems. Some gems. One. Now we have to do it in threes, of course. Needs to be odd numbers. 1, 2. Where are we going to put the other one? Here, over here. Over here, maybe. Ta-da! And that's another one done. So I'll keep going with the rest, and you could use this technique for scrapbooking, for cards, gifts, and for pin badges. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry if it was a bit amateurish. It's been a wee while since I've done a video, and especially not a tutorial. I don't do a lot of tutorials. It scares me. So anyway, that's it, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all again soon, hopefully. Bye.